Mister, are you okay? Mister, are you okay? Are you okay, mister?
What is it?
It's not good news.
I guess that.
You got tuberculosis. Really sorry for you, son. It's a hell of a thing.
What you mean?
You're real sick.
We can't change what's done. We can only move on.